today we are going to see how to handle the errors in PowerAutomate. So for this I have created one SharePoint list with this dummy column, title, description and project number. And now we are going to create a new instant cloud flow. So I will give the flow name as a error handling, and let's say we'll take manual triggered flow. So error handling in PowerAutomate is the same like other programming language like try, catch and finally block. So same concept we are going to use here. uh, so the try catch is nothing but a scope action. So we are using scope action for all try, catch and finally block. So what I will do, first I will rename this to the try as a try block. Then again I will add one more scope action and I will rename it as a catch, and the last action scope action, and I will rename it as a finally. Okay, so what will happen, whatever the actions of your workflow you will write in the try. Suppose any of the action in the try get fails, then we are calling the catch, otherwise this action will not run, and finally will always run. So how we can do that? So first what I will do, I will create a variable. So I am going to initialize the variable v error. Okay, and the type is boolean and I am setting it as a false. Initially it will be a false. So once error occurred in this try block, we will set it as a true. Okay, so in try block, let's say we add a get item action. So same the SharePoint list we will use in this site, SPFX site. So SPFX, this is our list name, and we will write one filter query. So this is the project number, we will filter it out to this project number. So I can write project number equals to 101. So it will return me a 2 records, and I will add a random compose action, and in this compose action I will just read the title from this get item. So now in try block we have a 2 action. Any one action if get fails, then catch should be run. So how first I will write the variable, or I will set the variable to the true in catch action. So I'm setting the variable v error to the true. Okay, so I'm setting this action, and one more thing we will do, we will write one more compose action, and we will read the error, whatever the error is there. So I can rename here read error. So here you can write expression as a result of try block. Okay, so now we will get error here, and in finally we will check if this catch get executed, and if the v error v error variable gets true, then send an email or send an notification. Okay, so I will write the compose action here. I will write the condition here, and in this condition I will check v error. If v error is equals to true, then you can write the send an email notification. So for now, for me, I will just send a notification on the Teams. Okay, so message post message in a chat or channel. Okay, so here I will select as a group chat, and we have daily stand up. Okay, so here what I will do, I will just give the output of this error, this read error. Okay, so what I will write, read error, this output I will post it here. If it will not get error, simply it will goes to the no loop. So I'm going to save the workflow and we'll test. Before that, there is a two settings for catch block and finally block. So in catch block, if the previous step, all the try block has error, then only catch should execute. So we have to go here, configure run after, and just remove this one, select these three, has failed, is skipped, and has timeout. So catch will run if any action in the try get fails, and finally anyway it will run in all the conditions. So these don't forget to make these changes, and now you can save your workflow and just test it. So now it will run successfully because we haven't made any mistake. You will not get anything. See, this catch is skipped. Why it is skipped? Because we don't get any error in this block, and also we will not get any message here. So what we will do, and finally we can check this condition get false and it will do nothing. So what we will do, we will make we will update any action, this action, and we will write something here and we will save. So now try will get failed and this variable becomes true, so it will go in catch, and then in finally you will get the notification that your workflow got failed. So we are testing this, run flow 10. See, you can see here the try block got failed, but finally we have did a setting, so it will show as a successfully. And if you see here, you got the error message. You can find here by writing the error. This is the error message you got. So if you see here, you will see a condition got true and this action is executed. So in this way we can handle the errors in PowerAutomate.